Now take it easy. We're making a right turn into the next street. So slow it down to 20. And what kind of street is this? It's a one-way. See the arrow? Slow it down. Make your turn. Hand over hand steering. You end up on the right side. That's a wide turn. That's no good. Speed up. Now a right is a right is a right is a right. So right turns never change. So whether you're turning right onto a one-way street or a two-way street, it's the same thing. You're turning on the right. Now we're on the one-way street, but now we need to make a left turn from the one-way street. So speed up. Why are you slowing down? Speed up. You signal left. Check your mirror and your blind spot, then you move over to the extreme left side. If you're in the middle making a left, then that's no good.
Oh, I see.
So stop just behind the sidewalk. Sidewalk up there. That's it, stop, don't block it. Now, can you see both sides, to the right and to the left?
Yes.
No, it's limited. You can see clearly to the left, but not to the right. So move up. Just keep moving slowly. Is it safe? Yes, it is. So now you go. And this is a two-way street you're turning onto, so you end up in the middle or on the right side. Now, let's do a left turn into the next street. Here. Signal left. Check. End up on the extreme left. You're entering left onto the one-way. You enter on the extreme left. Now, speed up. Now, if you're told to make a left ahead, then you would stay on the left. But nothing was said, so you move to the right. Signal right, mirror, blind spot, move over to the right if it's safe. Cancel your signal. And that's how you deal with one-way streets. Okay, let's do a left at the stop sign ahead. Signal left, and remember it's a one-way. Check your mirror and your blind spot to the left. Move over to the extreme left to exit the one-way street. Now, we do not have a white line or sidewalk, so you stop at the edge of the roadway. No, not here. Right out to the edge of the roadway. And stop. Then check, is it safe?
Yep.
Go ahead. And it's a two-way street you're entering onto. And you're turning your head to the left. That's no good. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Come on, let's go. See, remember, you look out the front window. Stop looking out the side window when making turns, because you usually end up in the wrong place. Okay?